This is my room, and this is my workspace. The wall's gonna be replaced soon. I mean, I'm gonna do some repair workshop, something in this room soon. And this is me. Let me take the video of myself for the first time. And let me turn around the camera so that I can see myself properly. Okay, let's have a look to the camera. Did I change much? Maybe no, maybe yes. But one thing I'm pretty sure is the job that I'm doing right now, the time is going for my benefit, and I'm very happy for that. And this is about the camera settings that I was talking about. Let me set the focus. Yeah, I bought this camera. Maybe I didn't talk about the camera that I'm using right now, but I bought this camera for about $200, and I bought the microphone on top of it as well, which is specifically designed for these kind of cameras. And I think the price is quite reasonable, because although the camera is made in 2011, so the condition is really well, but I think I'm gonna take one more battery, because the battery of this camera is not that reliable. Once it just shows it's 100%, and suddenly when I take the couple of videos, it just goes down to 0%. And yeah, that's it. So let's look through about the room once again. So it's about, the time is about 9:46. So I'm gonna sleep soon. Now I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have to prepare. Let's turn around. Let's put the camera on the ground so that I can talk to myself properly. And I have to set the focus as well. Yes, tomorrow I think I'm going to wake up early and prepare the rest of the lecture slides. First I want to prepare the lecture slides, and then I am going to record the same way that I have done for lecture 7 for week 8. And yeah, I have practiced the method of doing that, so now I have experience at least for one lecture, and I'm gonna do that for 7 weeks on the road. So the first is done, 6 more weeks, and with that, as soon as I finish that, I am going to prepare some quiz and some other materials. And yeah, with that said, I think it's gonna be finished. Alright, this is the end of this recording. Thanks attention.